Today I'm going to give you 9 reasons of why you should incorporate infrared light therapy. And the beauty of it all, you can do this in the comfort of your own home. Now I know many of you are dealing with an array of symptoms, treatments, and conditions that are just lingering. And you want to find a way to get out of it. I was dealing with Eustachian Tube Dysfunction for 3 long years and TMJ related issues. And if I knew anything about red light therapy or if someone told me about it prior, I'd be giving them many things. So stick around and listen to all the benefits that can give you a total game changer. Number 1 on our list is that infrared light therapy can improve muscle recovery and alleviates muscle injury. When I was dealing with this condition again, I had a lot of muscular tension, more specifically in my jaw area. But if you guys are dealing with this issue, I can tell you right now that infrared therapy improves the role and the effectiveness of the mitochondria by targeting cells directly. This works by targeting the growth of the cells and repair so that your body can get back up to tip-top shape like it's used to. A lot of us are hustling and running around through our day-to-day that we don't have time to adequately stretch, and honestly, we're not getting enough sleep. So if you incorporate this light therapy, it's going to improve your overall body's performance. I can tell you that, guaranteed. Number 2 reason why you should incorporate infrared light therapy is it's going to help with pain and inflammation. Of course, on your road to recovery, it's very challenging when you're feeling pain everywhere and you have inflammation. It's going to make it very challenging. But incorporating infrared light therapy is going to penetrate deep into the body's core. Not only that, it helps with the muscles, the joints, the bones. It's going to target these areas. This therapy also works to enhance and improve circulation in the skin within the body. Additionally, it works to bring oxygen and nutrients to the injured tissue, promoting healing in such areas. That's why it's so valuable to incorporate this on a consistent basis so that way you get the optimal level of healing that you're looking for. And off to number 3 reason why this light therapy is going to benefit you, and this one is one of my favorites, is it promotes the immune system. If you're not new to the J Wellness Studio, you've heard me many times talk about how important it is to boost the immune system and lower the inflammation. Well, this light therapy is just for you. During the infrared therapy, the energy produced by the cells help in regulating the thyroid and positively affects the immune system. Also, it helps stimulate the lymphatic system and increases the form of energy that the cell uses as ATP for cells to replicate faster and fight infections more efficiently. So that's why it's very important. I tell all of you out there, you have to do this consistently. And I always will say that. The body needs a consistent treatment in order to heal some of these conditions. Not just Eustachian Tube Dysfunction and tinnitus, but many others as well. And number 4 on our list is it's going to improve the skin's appearance as well as improve the collagen production. It's going to help not only respond well to the wavelengths of the red and the infrared light energy, it's going to effectively improve the mitochondria in our cells. Therefore, it's going to give us that natural production of collagen, which is going to overall improve our skin's appearance. Reason being is the amount of energy that we take in during these sessions is going to target our fibroblast cells. The fibroblast cells are responsible for the production of collagen, which is the reason why we start to look healthier and have a more younger looking appearance. So stay on top of doing this. The benefits are endless. And number 5 on our list for infrared light therapy is it promotes better sleep. Now I can tell you, dealing with the conditions that you're dealing with, it's going to affect your sleep. And it doesn't help that a lot of us are guilty of pulling out our cell phones, tablets, and computers and absorbing the harmful blue light. While doing so, the harmful blue light affects something called your circadian rhythm. Your circadian rhythm is responsible for your metabolism, your appetite, balancing your hormone levels. And if you start to affect this, it's going to get into your sleep cycle, and therefore it's going to slow down the healing process. However, there is scientifically proven evidence that shows that incorporating infrared light therapy not only helps get that circadian rhythm back into place, it also helps with improving something called your melatonin. And melatonin is responsible for how well you sleep, how long you sleep, and the effectiveness of the sleep cycle that you're in. And number 6 reason is it improves the cardiovascular system. Now I can tell you firsthand that when I would engage in this type of therapy session, I could feel the blood moving in my body like it should be. Well, if you incorporate infrared light therapy and something called nitric oxide, which is responsible for relaxing the arteries as well as fighting free radicals, it also prevents clumping of platelets in the blood vessels, which is going to help improve circulation. Well, a lot of you are fighting with Eustachian tube dysfunction, muscular tension. You even have some tension in the nasal passages. Well, incorporating this type of therapy is going to help move blood around, which is going to help heal you at a faster rate than if you didn't in the first place. Number 7 on the list is it reduces stress. Now, a lot of you who are dealing with many conditions are having problems with stress. And of course, if it's been a long period of time, it's going to not only expand the stress, it's going to start throwing many factors of the body out of whack. When we first wake up in the morning, our cortisol levels is at its highest. And of course, if some of us are feeling the effects of the day-to-day stress, it's going to overwhelm us. Well, reducing this level of cortisol is going to help stimulate healing and help us be calmer in our day-to-day lifestyle. Reason being is that infrared light therapy is responsible for balancing the body's sympathetic nervous system, which is basically your fight or flight system. This can help combat everyday stress. It also holds many benefits for those with anxiety, panic disorders, and depression. And number 8 on our list is it improves hair growth, and that is responsible for the infrared light that targets a certain cell called your dermal papillae. Well, dermal papillae is responsible for the natural restoration of your hair as well as promoting good, healthy hair cycles. By keeping a consistent basis, it's going to help not only improve hair growth, but also avoid the hair loss that you are probably facing when dealing with something called oxidative stress, and the hustle and bustle of life is not helping that as well. So keep a consistent schedule and you'll see benefits in this area for you. Number 9, it detoxifies the body. Now, while engaging in an infrared light therapy session, it's going to improve the natural body's core temperature. While doing so, it detoxifies the body at a cellular level. Detoxification is important in supporting the body's immune system while also promoting better digestion. So I could not express how important it is to increase the immunity and lower the inflammation, and you'll see major results. Alrighty, my health and wellness people, that concludes our video for today. I hope it was very helpful for you, and I'm going to step out of the J Wellness studio and leave you in good hands of the video today. If this video was very helpful for you, I ask you to click the subscribe button so you can get the latest content that comes to you, and I hope everybody has a great and beautiful day. And remember, folks, being well is feeling well is doing well is living well. Take care, everyone.